You swim the Maiko. Dapat yung ulo mo na lang. Wow, ganda. Maiko, sit down like this. No, you step the balloon, the ball.
Alright, hold on. Y'all try not to sit down so I can get a good picture.
Oh, yeah. Maiko, look. Picture. Wow, isa pa. Look at me. Wow, you look like in the ocean now. Wow, Mike is drowning. Wow. Don't be scared. It's just a ball.
You're enjoying, right?
You stand up na. Oh, come here to the other side. May ka pinicture na kita, oh. Naka-video ka.
Help me get up.
Oh my God.